Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crummy. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. For today's video, I'll show you the transformation of our kitchen / our dining area. So, let's get started. Alright, let's have our kitchen / dining tour. Ang binago natin specially, nilagyan natin ng paint. Andyan na lahat. In-arrange lang natin, binago natin yung arrangement. And we keep some of the things na hindi masyadong ginagamit or hindi masyadong pleasing. And then, sa gitna, nilagyan natin ng container para magandang tingnan yung mga sabon. And on that side, we keep away everything para malinis siya. We just added plants. And on the top part, inayos lang natin with what we have. And then, kahit may mga malilit na flaws, that's okay. And sa gitna, andyan yung mga hindi masyadong ginagamit. Dito sa bottom part is nandyan yung dish organizer. Pinago din natin ang handles ng cabinet. Parang silver. So, maganda siya. I think I like it. The color blue. And yan, that's an air purifying plant. In our dining area, ang dinagdag natin is yung placemat. 2 sets of placemat. I guess 1 set is 100 pesos. Naka-sale kasi. At dinagdagan natin ng Nordic lights. 3 Nordic lights na maliliit with warm light. So, I think it's cute. And then, more lights para mas maliwanag. And on that side, I decided to create a gallery wall. And with those, wala lang. With those themes. So, some of the pictures are taken from Unsplash. Diba cute? And since naka-blue tayo, so we decided to have our curtains na parang blue rin. Blue talaga. And then, some plants. Are you wondering saan magluluto? So, we have a small extension here. Andyan yung lutuan / yung mga storage ng kung ano-ano. Ayan. We have the condiments. And yung lutuan. Since my old Durabox kami, so, nilagyan namin dyan, parang ginawang small pantry. Storage area. So, yan. I think it's okay. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. And if you want to be updated with our latest upload, please hit the notification bell button. Thank you. Bye!